Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on tools, parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a BMW X3 X4 that generation here from year 2010 to year 2018. If you need to find where the head-up display fuses are located, where you can find them, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So, before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, bodywork, a little bit of everything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we're going to put links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out, that way do not waste your money guys. Also, we will have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out guys. We'll have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs as well. So let's start on it now. So guys, this BMW has many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know that they even exist. You have up to 5 or 6 different fuse boxes, and for many of you, okay, some of those are special fuse boxes, kind of like this one here. If you don't know about them guys, we'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on BMW X3, X4. Check it out, it can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Guys, the head-up display fuses, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this BMW X3, X4 right here. Now X3 and X4, they're built on the same platform, so it should work for both. Guys, here we'll be working in multiple fuse boxes. The first one that we need to open the passenger door. Open the glove box, empty your glove box. In the very back on the right, you see that cover, you need to press that tab, pull that cover out. Behind it we have a fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Fuses guys sometimes are really hard to know if they're burnt or not. For instance, I'm going to pull one fuse here, okay, and sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're good, they're bad. And let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up having problems again, and you spend time, money, you buy parts, diagnostics, you pay for services that you don't need guys. You practically wasted your money. So all you have to do is check your fuses, that way you don't waste money guys. So always test your fuses, even if you think it's good, always test it. It even happened to us guys, okay, and we work on cars all the time. Another thing, always test your relays. They're a little bit harder to test, but if you want to see guys how to test fuse relays, we will put a link in the description of the video below. But we've seen so many customers that think that they have a good fuse, they put it back in, they waste their money on parts and diagnostic that they practically guys do not need. So check out the link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse and how to test the relay as well. So here guys, multiple fuses will need to be checked. There is very limited information, so make sure you stay until the end, because we need to cover quite a few fuses. If you have problems with it, always check these fuses first. We'll talk about relays in a little bit. The first fuse, okay, let's zoom in a little bit, is fuse number 8. Then you need to check fuse number, okay, 10. So 8 and 10 right here will need to be checked. Next you need to check fuse number 13 right there. After that we need to check fuse number 31, and 31 is that fuse right here. After that we need to locate fuse number 25. So if we come in that row, that's 23, 4, 5, it's that fuse right here. After that we need to guys locate fuse number 43 right here. You may have fuse number 45, we do not have it, and 47 needs to be checked as well. After that you need to open the trunk, you need to remove that cover on the side, put that insulation up. Behind it you have another fuse box. Here guys, we need to check, okay, a few more fuses, and one of them is fuse 118, so that's 118 right here. Then you need to check fuse number 119 right underneath it, 120 and 121. All these fuses will need to be checked. Also check fuse number 170, talking about this fuse right here, and fuse number 190, this fuse right there, that 30 fuse there. Other fuses that you may need to check is the iDrive fuses. If you have problems with it, check the iDrive fuses. About relays, practically the relay function is controlled by the modules, so those fuses are known as relay fuses. If you have problems with it and you're looking for relays, most likely you don't have them. You need to check the fuses, guys, that are known as relay fuses. So guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays for your BMW at a good price, quick shipping, guys, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, because we have very specific fuses, especially these little fuse boxes, guys. Those could be really hard to find. You can see like the one right here as well, guys, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping as well. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.